How do you do, fellow kids? So, today I'm going to teach you how to make a PS5 because let's face it, most of us are too broke at this point to afford one. So what you want to start with is you want to put this Wii U, you want to take a black Wii U, right? Now these are quite common. I mean, they sold like what? Probably 100 million... Oh. Yikes. Well. Anyways, what you want to do next is you want to grab two paper, right? Two pieces of paper. And a tape dispenser. Now, as you can guess, we need the tape from this tape dispenser. So you grab the tape, and then you turn it around into a circle, like this. That way, every side is sticky. Then you put it on a piece of paper, and you attach the paper to the Wii U. Then, what you want to do is you want to turn it over again, and put another piece of tape on it. You know, same steps as last time. Now, at the end of this, what you should end up having is your PS5, all ready to play your new favorite games, like, I don't know, they haven't talked about that yet.